Hello again, and thank you for tuning into our program. Come along as I tackle another case of mystery and intrigue, gathering clues and information along the way. Meet some lowlifes and good friends as I discover the truth of this situation. I am William Nickels, Private Investigator. Have you ever noticed how good it feels to have a fresh haircut? It's the second week of February 1959. It's a Saturday, and my new haircut and my beautiful secretary Penny, you remember her. She's been with me for about a month now. We're both at the office this morning. Penny has been working hard on getting my office in order, and it's all polished up and the office looks rather professional. New Year's resolution accomplished. The weather has been pretty stormy most of last week, but today it's rather nice out. Get the office work done and have the afternoon off, if all goes well. At the moment, Penny and I are going through files and notes for my last big case so we can close them up and file them away. Penny always pulls out any useful information from my notes, and she files it differently, according to what the case was about. She had her own system, and it's very efficient. So when I ask, Penny, what was the name of that person in that missing purse case? The two of us aren't just sitting there rattling off names for an hour just to get it wrong. Penny can just say,
Wait one moment and I will look it up.
now we're cooking with gas. If we happen to notice a pattern of small crimes happening or something just not quite right going on in the area, we inform my former co-worker from the police department, Detective Eddie. He taught me a thing or two, and it helps him out.
Did you get the names of those construction workers from the museum? And Billy, did you hear about that plane crash last week? That was horrible. So much talent lost. That music was wonderful.
That plane crash, I couldn't believe it. I really did enjoy their music. Can you make a note of these other missing items? And no, Penny, I didn't get the names of the construction workers at the museum. Detective Eddie has those. And speak of the devil, look who just walked in. Good morning, Eddie.
Good morning, Eddie.
Good morning, Billy. Penny, working hard, I see. Did I interrupt something? Eddie, you look exhausted. Have a seat. We were just closing up that coin case. If we had the names of the construction workers from the museum, and I said you had them.
Billy, Eddie, I will run across the street to Frank's and grab us all some coffees.
Thank you, Penny. We need a coffee pot here at the office.
I'll see what I can do about finding us a coffee pot, Billy. I think we all could use a coffee break.
I could use a cup of coffee. Thank you, Penny. The red flags that came up on some of them were cleared up, so I wouldn't worry about them. I'll be sure to let Penny know that. I don't want to think about work today. It's my day off. I want to take it easy. I thought I would stop by before I go to the lake. Kind of take my mind off of things. Look at the water from the luncheonette window. Have soup and a sandwich. This case with the coins is rattling my brain something fierce. It's a puzzle with wrong or maybe missing pieces. The kid gave 10 different reasons why he did it. It's a nice day to go to the lake and sit and watch the water. You look like you need to kick back. Get a fresh start on Monday. I have to agree with you, Eddie. There seems to be something off about this coin case. I can't seem to connect the dots or tie up the loose ends. Eddie opened the door for Penny, and she handed out the coffees. Thank you, Penny. You can forget about the names of the construction workers. Penny nodded her head, went back to her desk, and started writing. Yes, Billy. Too many loose ends on that one to clear up. That boy is involved with something bigger, but he isn't talking or just doesn't know. I need to go talk with the owner of the scrapyard and the owner of the antiques and pawn shops. It's Saturday, but it can wait until Monday. Saturday? I have to get over to the Shades. I have to play goalie in a street hockey game. You have got to be pulling my leg. A street hockey game? Yes, street hockey. It was part of the deal I set up with Donna and her friend Susie. I had interrupted their game that evening when I was looking for Penny. It's been years since I played. You mean decades. I can drive you.
William Nickels
I want to
Private
see this.
Investigator.
And just in
Secretary
case I need to call the
speaking.
paramedics.
Oh my goodness. Oh yes.
The
he's
lake
right
and
here.
my
Just
soup
hold
and
on.
sand.
Billy, Eddie, excuse me, please. Billy, the phone. It's important. It's Donna.
I wonder why Donna would be calling. Donna was talking so fast, I told her to slow down, and that's when I heard something very disturbing. Donna, I will be right there. Meet me in the old diner parking lot. It will be all right. We will figure this out. Then I hung up the phone. Eddie and Penny were standing there looking at me, concerned and confused. I can't believe it. That was Donna. Donna, she said she killed someone? Billy, is that the young girl from Shady Lane? The one with the crowbar that she insisted on getting back from you? I hope you enjoyed our story, and thank you for listening. A mystery story featuring William Nickels, Private Investigator. Please remember to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment. Subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an episode. This has been a Radio Static production, and thus ends our broadcast day.